Okay, continue with the unboxing. Look how she wrapped it. So this does come with a black dust bag because it's not a classic. And this is a black lambskin, which I knew it was going to be in lambskin because they haven't made caviar in years. If they do get a caviar, I might jump on that too, but oh my goodness. Can you see Dominic? That's my son here. Do you remember this bag?
Mama.
Okay. Oh my goodness. I have to memorize how they wrapped it. So this is another reason I'm filming this unboxing. Oh my goodness. You helping me? Yeah, I can. I asked them for extra ribbons to tie the strap. Here it is. Here it is, Dominic, look.
Oh my day.
It has the stickers on and everything. You want to touch it? It feels good? Soft, right? So, it has for extra felts, which they threw in the box for me. They are so nice. See the black and white felt?
Mama.
Yes.
Are you on my day?
Why'd I ruin your day? Hmm? He's had a long ride, so he's a little bit cranky. Dominic, I didn't yell at you. You need a hug? Here we go. Well, this is it, lambskin. You know what? I did not check for all the stuff in there, which I hope I got. Yep, authenticity card. Oh, thank goodness. I didn't even check. I was just so happy. I was so happy. It's lambskin. It was beautiful. The quilts look nice. I mean, brand new, no scratches. I mean, I'm not like super particular, but because I plan to use it. So, but yeah, this is it. Well, I had to film this. I had to film for the story, really, because I'm sure everybody knows what a rectangular mini looks like. Anyway, that was it.